Welcome back, investors. Today, we're diving deep into ATOS SE, a key player in the IT services sector. In this video, we'll break down the latest stock price trends, financial ratios, support and resistance levels, moving averages, earnings reports, industry comparisons, and analyst ratings, all wrapped up with the big picture on market events. Let's get started. As of our latest update, ATOS SE is trading at approximately €12 per share. Recently, we've seen moderate price movements with fluctuations that reflect both market sentiment and broader economic factors. When we compare today's price to historical highs and lows, you can see that the stock is positioned in a dynamic range, indicating investor interest amid market uncertainty. Key drivers include evolving digital transformation trends, global economic shifts, and company-specific strategic moves. Let's break down some essential financial ratios. 1. P/E ratio and forward P/E. These metrics give us insight into how the market values ATOS SE's current and future earnings. 1. A moderate P/E suggests stability, while a lower forward P/E might indicate potential growth opportunities. 2. Price/free cash flow. This ratio helps us assess whether the stock is undervalued relative to the cash it generates. 3. EPS growth. Consistent earnings per share growth signals robust operational performance. 4. Return on equity, ROE. A healthy ROE shows that ATOS SE is efficiently using shareholders' funds. 5. Debt to equity ratio. A balanced ratio here indicates that the company isn't overly reliant on debt. 6. Current ratio. This measure confirms that ATOS SE can comfortably meet its short-term liabilities. In plain terms, these ratios collectively point toward a company with solid fundamentals and a cautious yet promising outlook. Now, let's talk technicals. Key support for ATOS SE appears around €10.50, where we've historically seen buying interest. On the flip side, resistance is clustering near €13.50. If the stock bounces off these support levels, it might be a prime buying opportunity, but a struggle to break through resistance could signal caution. The current momentum seems balanced, with signs of both bullish and bearish trends emerging, so keep an eye on these levels. Moving averages offer a snapshot of market sentiment over various time frames. Here's what we're seeing. 1. The 20-day SMA shows a slight upward momentum, suggesting short-term strength. 2. The 50-day SMA is relatively flat, indicating a consolidation phase. 3. The 200-day SMA remains a crucial indicator of long-term trend direction. When short-term averages cross above longer-term ones, it often signals bullish momentum, and vice versa. For ATOS SE, the interplay of these averages will be key to spotting future trends. Turning to fundamentals, ATOS SE's latest earnings report revealed encouraging signs. The company posted notable revenue growth and a significant uptick in net income. Even better, their earnings per share, EPS, beat analysts' estimates, which speaks volumes about the company's operational efficiency and strategic execution. How does ATOS SE stack up against its competitors? In the crowded IT services sector, ATOS stands out for its robust digital transformation capabilities and sustainability initiatives. However, challenges remain, such as lower margins when compared to some peers. Overall, its diversified service portfolio gives it a competitive edge, even as it navigates industry-specific headwinds like currency fluctuations and evolving tech demands. Looking at what the experts are saying, analyst ratings on ATOS SE are mixed. Some experts lean towards a buy recommendation, citing growth potential, while others advocate a hold stance, recommending caution in the current market. Price targets range from €14 to €16, reflecting a cautiously optimistic outlook. Recent upgrades and downgrades underscore that market sentiment is actively evolving. Major news events are also in play. Upcoming earnings reports, potential mergers and acquisitions, regulatory changes in Europe, and broader macroeconomic factors such as inflation and currency fluctuations could all impact ATOS SE's performance. Staying informed about these developments is key to understanding the stock's potential moves. So, what's the final word on ATOS SE? Based on our comprehensive analysis, the stock presents a balanced opportunity. For conservative investors, it may be wise to hold, while those with a higher risk appetite might see an entry point at current levels. Remember, every investment decision should align with your personal financial strategy. That wraps up our in-depth look at ATOS SE. As always, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more market insights. Until next time, invest smart and stay informed.